Okay, I thought I'd make a video about my problems with out of balance on this particular washing machine. It's a Whirlpool Load and Go, and I got it off Facebook Marketplace. It was broken, having problems, but all the parts that you really need for this thing are on Amazon. So what I did was I found an actuator and different parts, and I tried them out, and then finally I was able to correct the washing machine and fix it with just going through different Amazon parts and returning them. But I was left with an out of balance condition with, no matter how much I put in the washing machine, it would always spin, going out of balance, all that stuff. So I tightened up the springs on the basket. I'm not going to go through it, but the 4 springs, that didn't help. There's a little foam rubber grommet or gripper. I tightened that up with zip ties. That didn't help. What did help and allow me to fill this thing up this high without going out of balance and solve the problem, believe it or not, was this stuff that I got from Ben's Appliance. Is this little goop stuff. And what I did is I put that around the little foam rubber grommet on the spring itself. So the little grommet that controls the sliding action and reduces the bouncing, that solved the problem. I had no faith in it, didn't think it was gonna work, but boom, it allows me to fill up this washer. And I love the washer because of the load and go, because it detects the laundry detergent. My family, when they were using laundry detergent before, would throw in half cup, whole cup, just blatantly wasting it. So with that load and go feature, it actually it saved me so much money in laundry detergent. It's unbelievable. All right,